So this happened, you guys. Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you are new here. My name is Eleanor Josefina, and today for you guys I have a really exciting video. And that is, I got this in the mail from Google. And basically it just means that you are monetized on YouTube, and I will show you guys the inside and the contents of this letter in a little bit. I'm also going to be telling you guys how much I am making on YouTube as of right now. I have been monetized for at least 16 days. If you guys didn't see one of my last videos, I talked about how I got monetized in 2 months. So to get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 hours of watch time, which is really hard. But I was able to do it in a little bit over 2 months. So if you guys are interested in that video, I will leave that video linked up above and also down below for you guys. Also in that video, I described the process of getting monetized and what it looks like, and like the step-by-step process that you have to go through to get monetized officially. And also in the end of that video, I do describe how much money I was making in my first week on YouTube. So in this video, I will be describing not only how much I'm making, but also kind of like a step-by-step process of how you get this guy in the mail. So after you're monetized on YouTube and Google approves you for like Google AdSense and everything like that, you have to meet a threshold of $100 on YouTube. And then YouTube will pay you on the 21st of every single month. They will send you a direct deposit on the 21st of every single month if you have made that $100 threshold. But what I didn't know is once you reach $10 in your Google AdSense account, you are able to request a pin. And that pin is what is in this beautiful envelope that you always see YouTubers holding up when they first get monetized. That is what is in this letter. And basically you need that pin code because that verifies that you're a real person and that you live at an actual address. And this is really important because you cannot get a direct deposit if you do not sign up for this pin code. So to request a pin code, you need to log on to your Google AdSense account. And then on the left side, find the tab that says payments, and then scroll down to where it says settings, and then click on manage settings. And that is where you will be able to add your address and also your tax information. I requested my pin code on June 13th, and then a week later on June 19th, I got it in the mail. And I highly recommend you guys signing up for the pin code once you meet that $10 threshold. It took me about a week to get, because the thing is, Google only pays you on the 21st of every month. If you finally meet that threshold of $100 and you're gonna get paid on the 21st of that month, you aren't gonna be able to get a direct deposit of that money because you need your PIN code to verify your address and everything before you get a direct deposit. So do not wait until you get the $100 threshold to request your PIN. Make sure you request your PIN right away when you meet the $10 threshold. Otherwise, you'll have to request the PIN right there and you'll have to wait another month until you get that direct deposit. Meeting the $10 threshold is different for every single country. I think it's usually around $10. And again, that is the threshold you need to meet to get your PIN code. But again, don't wait. Once you meet that $10 threshold, request your PIN, because when you do meet that $100 threshold, you're gonna wanna cash out kind of right away. So now I'm just gonna open up this for you guys on camera. I am so excited. So I'm gonna cover up the pin, you guys, but basically the inside of the letter looks like this. It just has a step-by-step process of how you type in your pin code, and then you're able to get like your direct deposit out. This is really exciting for me because I have worked so hard for such a long time to get this, and it just makes me super happy. Even though I'm not making a ton of money on YouTube right now, it still makes me really happy. So now on to how much I am making. If you guys don't know, I described this in my other video, but you guys should download the app YouTube Studio just right on your phone. It basically helps you track your subscriber count, your view count, how many watch hours you have, and it also tracks how much money you are making. As you guys can see, it is the 21st today, which means all other YouTubers who met at least a threshold of $100 got a direct deposit today. Since I just requested my PIN and since I did not make the $100 threshold, I am obviously not getting a deposit today, but hopefully by the next month, like July 21st of next month, hopefully I will get a direct deposit then. So I wanted to share with you guys how much I am making now. So I'm gonna go into the YouTube Studio app, and it says that your estimated revenue, I am making $45.99. And it also says the estimated revenue is delayed 1 day. So I'm assuming that I'm making somewhere around $48 to $50. And I know you guys might not think that is a lot of money, but the thing is that I've only been monetized for 16 days. So I was monetized June 5th, and obviously it is the 21st today. So I've only been monetized for 16 days. So I'm hoping by next month I will be able to meet the $100 threshold. I'm not quite sure if that's gonna happen, but nonetheless, I'm really happy and really excited. I will be keeping you guys updated in future videos of how much I am making, just because I felt like I was always curious about how much YouTubers make. So I will be making like future videos. Once I do get a direct deposit, I will let you guys know when that happens, and I will let you guys know how much I am making, like how much I'm making in my first month on YouTube and stuff like that. So be on the lookout for those videos. So I hope this video is really helpful for you guys. There's a lot of things that I had no idea about once being monetized on YouTube. Anyway, you guys, that is it. I hope you guys really like this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, because I do get back to everyone's comments. And also, I know that I didn't really have anyone else to ask about the monetization process. So if you guys do have any questions, leave them down below and I will go ahead and answer them for you. Also, if you guys did like this video, it'd mean the world to me if you guys give me a thumbs up. And also, if you guys want to subscribe and join the family, that would be awesome as well. But you guys, I think that is it. I love you guys all so much. I'm super excited to see where you guys are at in your monetization kind of YouTube journey. But I think that is it, you guys. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.